God.
The people of Nineveh
Obey God.
didn't obey God. God told Jonah to tell the people,
Obey me.
but what did Jonah say?
No, I'm going to go.
Jonah did not want to talk to the
Me people.
So Jonah,
God.
no, Jonah.
To have a God. Jonah says, watch. He say, down. Fish.
A big fish.
For him up. 3 days and nights. Jonah sat and made fish. I made 3 fish.
Jonah was sorry.
He obeyed.
So Jonah just sat there.
And prayed.
Jonah told God.
He was sorry.
Jonah
That he was
thanked
sorry.
God for
people.
saving his life. And Jonah told God
He
loved him. But did God answer Jonah's prayers?
Yes, he did.
Yes, he did. God
always answers our prayers.
God always answers our prayers. God made the big fish spit Jonah out on the sand.
And chewy.
But chewy. Jonah was
Safe.
Thankful that God
Answers Jonah.
answers our prayers. What did Jonah do then? Jonah.
Obey God.
Very good.
He
What did Jonah do in the fish?
doesn't
But what did he do in the fish?
He prayed.
What did God say?
Answer your prayers.
I will answer your prayers. Who will answer your prayers?
God.
God. I love you.
Are you, Mama?
I love you too,
I
baby.
got something hurt me.
Something hurt you?
Yes.
Well, we better fix it. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.